Ayana Aishi here, and today we are going to be seeing Senpai, our only one true lovey-dovey boy. So let's go see him, shall we? Zoom, zoom. Oh my God, Ayana move, yeah. Girls, y'all just hating on me, like for real, bro. Y'all just haters. Anyways, I'm gonna go see Senpai. Oh, hey, what's up, girl? What's your name? My name is Say So. Say so. Yeah, got a problem? That's the dumbest name I ever heard. Oh my God, really much? You know what? I'm gonna be a word namer person, cause y'all be naming y'all children weird, bro. Senpai!
Oh no, I can't be alone for 1 second.
Oh, hey, Ayana. Hey, how y'all doing, baby? Good, I guess? Okay. Well, if you need anything, I'll bake
Mind,
you
I don't
biscuits.
need anything for you.
Okay, bye, babe. Bye.
Did this
Hey,
Upalopa
lovebirds.
just kiss
What did
me?
you just say? You heard me. I said lovebirds. Follow me. Okay. I mean, she's right, of course. Do you like her? Is that why you're agreeing? No, she's just right. Okay, that's what I thought. Sit down. Whatever, Ayana. Whatever, your ugly fat face, boy. Oh my God, these people pushing me. Stop pushing me or else I'm cool. Oh. Anyways, like I said, come on, girl. Boy, why are you getting class? Like, you don't tell me what to do. Shut up and leave, ugly boy. Do it around you because it's fat, because it's fat, yeah, because it's fat. Oh, she's so fat. No, it's getting lunchtime. Let the popsicle. Come on, girl. Follow me. Just follow me. I said follow me. Why are you still standing there? Cause I can. Shut up. Girl, I'll punch you the next weekend. And I'll send you to the under. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Now banana. Anyways. Do you like my senpai? Yes, I love him. Do you? Oh my God, same. But one of us can have him, so let's fight to the death. Instead, let me just kill you already. Wait, what? No, Ayana, stop. I'm gonna go to the cafeteria. Hey, can I sit here? Sorry, no. Why? Because I said so. You know what? Oh, I'm making me so mad. Follow me. I'll see you later, senpai. Okay, Ayana. See you. I'll come back. You. Oh, shut up. You like him too. Wait, what? Never mind. What are you talking? Oh my God, stop! You know what? Everybody wants my stupid senpai. He's not even stupid. Why am I calling him stupid? You stupid! Die! Oh my God! No!
Yeah, but she's hey! How you doing? She's good. She's good.
Ayano started to kill people because of that girl. So, at the end of the day, she was mad.